I would like to tell you a little bit about some things I like and then a little bit about some things I don't like. First of all, I really enjoy exercising. Some of my favorite types of exercise are swimming, especially in rivers in the country and in big oceans, because I like to jump over the waves. I also really enjoy dancing. I like dancing to American music because that's what I know best. And I also like Southern Moraine, which is a more Latin types of music. I also like to walk in the woods and to explore. I like to walk through forests and I like to hear rivers. I enjoy meeting new people, too. I like to find out about different ways of life, what different people think, where they're from, and how they live. Probably one of my favorite things is animals. I really love dogs and cats and horses. When I was little, I always tried to talk my mom into letting me have more animals, but usually, she wouldn't. So I think now that I'm going to have my own house, I'll try to get lots of animals. Some things that I don't really like are rude people. Sometimes people are not very nice to strangers, and that makes me feel bad. I also don't really like driving. I tend to get pretty bored in the car and it seems like it just takes a long time to get there. One final thing I don't really like is waiting. Sometimes I'm not a very patient person and I just like to hurry things up.